Every day I talk to clients about investigation projects, and what it really boils down to are these three objectives that come up time and time again. They are developing and verifying information on a target, it's verifying information provided by someone else, a third party, or developing historical information to determine if there's information in the past that needs to be verified or uncovered that leads to a situation today. Hi, Tim Santoni, been a private investigator for over 20 years. Work with clients in the brand space, law firms, business owners, helping them mitigate risk in their business, helping them know everything. Today I want to talk about the goals and objectives of a private investigator and what things boil down to. First off, we're often called on to verify information, develop identity of individuals so that we can locate where they're at, develop background information and profile them, or conduct asset research or maybe surveillance. This involves working from a very limited set of information, developing identifiers, creating a profile so that the person can be accurately and thoroughly profiled in a variety of contexts. The second thing is verifying information from other sources. This could be from a police report, a trademark filing, or maybe it's a doctor's report in a workers' comp case. When it comes to a police report, we want to verify potentially who owned the vehicle at the time of the accident, or developing information on the witnesses listed in the police report and interview them for what they have to say. Reviewing a trademark registration or application to determine if the information in that registration is accurate. Was the use date correct? Are the goods and services correct? To determine if that information submitted is accurate. And if in the workers' comp case, we're doing surveillance to determine if the information that the doctor disclosed in a report is accurate, meaning if the doctor says that the person cannot lift their arm over their head, are they able to do that? Or can they not walk without assistance, wheelchair, or walker? These are just a few examples of how verifying information from other sources plays into the investigative world. And lastly, we're often looking to uncover historical information. Who owned a vehicle at the time of an accident? Who owned a business at the time of a lawsuit or at a given point in time where we need to determine who the players were? When we're looking at historical information on a subject, social media plays a huge role. We can look at behaviors, activities, and travel, as this may speak to their ability to do or not do certain things at a given point in time. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please do hit that like or subscribe button, and please tune in for future videos. Thanks.